Prayer is the most powerful source of vital energy that controls the mind body system and orients its activities towards natural healing. Dr. Pranav Pandya. Book title: Unique Spiritual Experiment on Collective Consciousness. Core question: are we living in a happy place? How has the 20th and 21st century been till now? In the 20th and 21st century, we have witnessed astonishing development in science and technology, leading to advancement on all materialistic fronts. Computers and the internet have made the world a global village. Is the advancement reflected in our happiness too? As we have advanced materially, somewhere down the line, the gap between people's heart has widened somehow. This has led to a void and isolation in people's lives, shattering of the value system in the society, decline in the family institution, and distortion in fabric of social harmony. In order to afford all the luxuries, people have overlooked the morals of honesty and austerity. What can be a solution so that everyone is happy? While individual sadhana, prayers and meditation can lead to individual spiritual elevation, but a collective effort is needed to deal with the current deep-rooted societal issues and happiness for all. How can we make collective efforts? We all are aware of Sangh Shakti, or the power of united efforts. We are also mindful of sound as a form of energy. It is conjectured in science that the great Big Bang, which started the creation of the universe, also had the sound of Omkar. Vedic chants or mantras are the combinations of specific syllable in a particular order, which when chanted generate specific quanta of energy that could be manifold higher than nuclear energy and spread far and wide. If collective mantra has such power, what is the best mantra to chant together? Gayatri Mantra is the basic foundation of all four Vedas, foundational scriptures of the Indian subcontinent. There are various unique spiritual experiments that can and are being conducted in Shanti Kunj, headquarters of All World Gayatri Parivar, where the Gayatri Mantra is chanted 24,000 to 2,400,000 times by a group of people. Its divine impact is seen not only on the person reciting the mantra, but also on the subtle environment and the cosmos. How will the presented book help me? The book explains the importance and impact of collective prayer chants, yagnas, and meditation and its science. It gives us a direction as to how we can imbibe the same in our lives. Few experts from the book. On altruistic purpose of yagya, the grand experiments of the kind of Rajsuya, Ashwamedha, Bajpaya's yagya were conducted in the ancient times for altruist purpose. What was impossible to be achieved by limited through dedicated attempts of few saints, intellectuals, and the emperors used to be successful by joint strength and enthusiastic participation of masses. On the power of collective energy, the power of union and collective endeavor is more significant in the field of consciousness and spirituality. The grouping of one inert object with another makes a joint venture of two acts. Talented people may work like 1 and 1 is equal to 11 or even more. The enthusiasm and joy generated by a combination of faith of pilgrims are truly remarkable, as seen in their pilgrimage voyage in large groups. On the power of similar thoughts. Sam gachadvam, sam vadadvam, sam voman mansi, janatham, deva bhagam, yatha pure, sanjananam pasate. We all should walk together, converse and discuss jointly. Let us all be enlightened by similar sentiments and thoughts of divine prudence. On the collective participation, despite having the capability, Lord Krishna was the manifestation of the Almighty in human form. In his childhood, he encouraged collective participation of masses of Gokul for uplifting uphill of Govardhan, despite being able to do so on his little finger. On the power of mantra on the surrounding and self. The continuous japa of mantra titillates specific extrasensory energy center, nerve bundle, and ganglion inside the sadhak body. With regular jap sadhana, the sadhak experiences gradual arousal of unprecedented power and inner strength. The flow of mantra shakti generated by japa generates specific vibrations in surrounding space. This eventually spreads in all directions and influences the subtle environment and other conscious being. On the gaining of energy through mantra. Every mantra has a devta representing the subliminal force of the cosmic center associated with it. The sublime current of Shabd Shakti generated by japa reaches its cosmic center and returns after getting energized by the power of the corresponding devta. On Gayatri Mantra, Lord Brahma manifested nature and the creation of the universe by the sadhana of Gayatri. The absolute knowledge that emerged thereby was echoed in the Vedas. This is why Gayatri is referred as Ved Mata. On the philosophy and science of Yajna. The philosophy of Yajna revolves around altruist service, refinement of every sphere of life, and expansion of goodwill and knowledge. Its scientific procedures involve sacrifices, ahutis, made while chanting of the Gayatri and other Vedic mantras, of a unique combination of dry herbs, Havan Samagri, in the sacrificial fire of Yagna Agni, of selected wood, Samita, ignited in specially designed pits, Kunda. The fumigation, vaporization, and sublimation of the herbs in the process spread the fragrance, fumes, and vapors of nutritional elements and negative ions that purify the air in a large surrounding volume and expenditure far beyond. These are densely clustered with the clouds and showered with the next rainfall, thus purifying water and rain. The energy generated by Yagna is compounded with Shabd Shakti of the mantras and electrified subtle flow of prana in the atmosphere. Thus, prana stimulates vital force in the soil, water, plants, trees, and all living beings and induces liveliness and joy forever. On the effects of mantra and yajna on cleansing self. The collective chanting of mantra in the chaste voice of the sadhak generates amplified Shabd Shakti, which, coupled with yajna energy and vibration of the quivering flame of Yagagni, works like Sababhedi Bana on the mind of participants and viewers sitting around in the Yagni. It penetrates the inner folds of the mind of the participants and viewers sitting around the Yagna Agni. It penetrates the inner fold of the mind and clears the deeply rooted and thickly assimilated evils and unwanted tendencies. The spiritual aura of the combination of the mantra and yajna emits peace and saintly inspirations, restraining and controlling the insidious excitements and passions of ego, anger, jealousy. Few topics covered in the book: the subliminal force at the root of the universe, joint efforts for the spiritual remedy, Yug Nirman Yojana, a constructive attempt to meet the call of our times, Shabd Shakti, the cosmic power of sound, collective japa of divine Gayatri Mantra, the supreme spiritual endeavor of this era, illumination through Gayatri meditation, significance of collective prayer, the role of yajna in resolving problems of today, milestone of Mahapurana Ahuti, full offerings.